Achieving ultimate financial freedom is a transformative journey, often beginning from a place of scarcity. Here's a roadmap that illustrates how one can go from zero to hero, building wealth without initial capital and establishing passive income streams. 1. Mindset shift. The first step is adopting a growth mindset. Understand that wealth is not just about money, it's about opportunities, knowledge, and perseverance. Cultivate habits of learning and resilience. 2. Skill development. Invest in yourself by acquiring valuable skills that can generate income. This could be anything from digital marketing to coding, graphic design, or writing. Online courses, workshops, and self-study can be invaluable. 3. Building a brand or business. Start a side hustle based on your skills. This might be freelancing, consulting, or creating digital products. Initially, this requires time and effort, but as your reputation grows, so can your client base. 4. Networking. Connect with like-minded individuals and industry leaders. Networking can open doors to partnerships, mentorship, and new opportunities that may not be accessible otherwise. 5. Investing wisely. Once you start earning, focus on saving and reinvesting. Look into low-cost index funds, stocks, or real estate. The goal is to put your money to work for you, creating wealth over time. 6. Creating passive income streams. Passive income is the key to earning money while you sleep. Consider these options. Real estate, rental properties can provide steady income. Dividend stocks, invest in companies that pay regular dividends. Digital products, create ebooks, online courses, or software that can be sold repeatedly. Affiliate marketing, promote products and earn a commission on sales made through your referral. 7. Automating finances. Set up automatic savings and investment plans. This way, a portion of your income goes directly into savings or investments without any effort on your part. 8. Continuous learning and adaptation. Stay informed about financial trends and new investment opportunities. The market changes rapidly, and adapting to these changes is crucial for long-term success. 9. Scaling up. As your income grows, look for ways to scale your business or investments. This could mean hiring a team, expanding your product line, or investing in larger real estate deals. 10. Maintaining financial discipline. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As you earn more, keep your expenses in check and continue to invest in your future. This discipline is vital for sustained financial growth. Conclusion. From starting with nothing to achieving financial freedom, the journey requires dedication, strategic planning, and an openness to learning. By building skills, leveraging opportunities, and creating multiple streams of income, you can create a life where money works for you, allowing for both wealth and personal fulfillment.